Jeremiah, say it again.
Say it again.
Say it again.
Say it again.
Again.
All right, guys, welcome to topic 3. Okay? Okay. Topic 3, here we go. All right. I want to give you guys the formula. Make sure you remember y equals negative, okay, x minus h plus k. All right? This is a reflection on the x-axis. That's just to remind you. All right? If your h is positive, it's going to go left. It goes the opposite direction. If it's negative, it's going to go right. If your k is positive, it's going to go up. If your k is negative, it's going to go down. That's pretty much it. Okay? You remember? Good. All right. So that's just to refresh your memory. Here we go. Number 11. Before you start, label important points. Okay? So this one right here is 2, 2. Label your points. Right here, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Label your points. This right here is negative 2, comma 2. And this one here is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, comma 3. So let me give you guys a little hint that might help you. If you will box in with a highlighter your graph, basically this is what you are doing. You're boxing in your graph and you just want to know left to right and low to high. Okay? Bottom to top. All right. Let's look at number 11A. Given the following graph, answer questions A through E. What is the domain? Domain is always your x, and we go left, comma, right. Okay? All right. Far left, what is your x value? Negative 5. Far right is 2. And it is a bracket because that's part of your answer. Did you guys see that? It has a stop, so it's a bracket. That's the only time it's a bracket. It's a domain or a range. Everything else is always a parentheses. Okay? Remember, huh? Remember when it was hard? Mm-hmm. What is the range of f of x? Now, range is your y. You go from low to high. Okay? So where is your low? That's a low and that's a low, right? Are they exactly the same? What is that number for the y? 2. Which one is high? Is this one higher or is this one higher? This one's higher. So what is your y right there? 4. You only write the y, not the x. Okay? Just like what you've been doing. You sure can. Letter C. What interval is increasing? Okay? It goes, and this is always your x value. So I start going up from negative 2, stopping at 0. And it's always parentheses. This is the only place that you might have a bracket. Decreasing. Decreasing is from negative 5 to negative 2. And also from 0 to 2. Kind of like what you guys been doing, right? Except this is just a different kind of graph, okay? Number D, what is the absolute minimum? Well, is this your low? Is this also your low? So do you have 2 absolute value that's low? Yes. Your absolute minimum is negative 2, 2, and also 2, comma 2. You need to put both because there's 2 of them. No, not plus, that's an and.
And
Sorry, that's an and, not a plus. All right. I hope you guys remember a lot of this. This was good, okay? E, coordinate point. What is the coordinate point of the absolute max? So which one is that point? That's the 0, 4. Okay? You guys are doing good. All right. Nope, not yet. Number 12. Here we go. It's not lunch. Not yet. All right. Take a look at number 12. Okay? Look at your problem that you had before. What is that negative? What are you doing right there? You're going to flip. So number 1 says, describe how the graph of a transformation is going to be. You're going to reflect what axis? X-axis. Okay? Now, what is this one doing? The +2. Inside the parentheses. Which way is that going to move? +2. Which way is it going to move? Left. It's going to move left 2. Okay? Remember this right here? See how it's inside the parentheses? If it's outside, then it will go up and down, but it's inside. All right. So now I'm going to go ahead and graph. Okay. I'm going to graph this point first. Let's reflect first. See how the reflection? So here's your x-axis. Instead of going up 3, I'm going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to move left 2. 1, 2. Okay? This one, reflecting on the x-axis, x goes left and right. So instead of going up 2, I'm going to go down 2. And I'm going to go left 2. 1, 2. You guys see my line? Okay, you're starting to see the reflection? All right, this one, instead of go up 4, I'm going to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to go where? Left 2. 1, 2. Okay? See how I just flipped it over? This one, instead of going up 2, I'm going to reflect and go down 2. And I'm going to go left 2. 1, 2. Did you guys reflect the picture? And did you move it to the left 2? There you go. All right. After you do this, I highly advise you to write down your points. What is this point right here? 0, -2. What is this one? -2, -4. Okay? What is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, -4, -2. And this one. 4, 5, 6, 7. -7, -3. Everything good? And then basically you're going to box it in like you did with the other one, right? And if you need to box it in to help you, then box it in. But you don't have to, okay? All right, here we go. Let's answer the question. It says, what is the value of g of 2? Well, that just means when x is 2, what is your y? X is 2, 1, 2. Is there anything? Is there anything at all? No. So this one does not apply. There's not one. See, at 2, there's not a picture, right? What is of g of 0? When x is 0, what is your y? -2. So you write 0, -2. See how that's your x? There's your y. Okay? Oops, sorry. 0, 2, right here. For what value of x does the minimum of g of x occur? So what is your minimum? What is your lowest? Absolute. -2, -4. Very good. You guys are doing good. Any questions about topic 3? No? All right.